I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy. Do you want to install the oil filter housing cap from Blackline into your BMW? I'm going to show you how. All right, y'all, this really isn't a hard project at all. We're going to be installing it today into my BMW M2 competition. So this is the S55 motor, but this particular part works on N55, S55, and quite a few other BMW motors. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do it. We're going to jump into the hood. Let's get started. All right, so here we are under the hood of my car, and I actually don't have the stock oil filter housing cap anymore. I have one from a different company, but when I found out that Blackline's putting out a new blue or colored one to match all of the rest of my Blackline caps, I had to have it. So if you have the factory one, it's a big plastic dome, and there are specialized tools that you can take to get this off. Now, I still happen to have one left from when I had one before, or I use it on other cars, but it looks like this. You can also use one of those oil filter ratcheting wrenches where it's got the strap to get it off. It isn't on very tight. I've even done it by hand a couple of times. If you can really get a good grip on it and turn it, it will start to turn. We're gonna take your existing cap off. There's a post in the center that we're gonna take out. We want to make sure that we're going to do some prep so we don't spill oil, because you will spill a little bit, not enough to worry about, like you need an oil change or anything, but that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to pack all this with some paper towels to make sure if I drip anything, it won't get on my motor, because I like to keep it clean. And then we're going to take this existing one off. Again, use that specialized tool, potentially even crank it with your hand, which mine will start to turn just a little bit. And then we're going to put on the new one. So here on the inside, you'll see there's a ring of little fingers. So when you take the existing one off, whether it's OEM or aftermarket, there's a perforated post that goes down through the center of your oil cap. So when you pull that off, you're going to want to pull that out and transfer it to this one. Now, it is plastic in the metal, so just be careful that if you do, when you snap it into place, if you get any plastic shavings, that you make sure to take those out.